right, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. We have beautiful, fantastic Wish Wednesday. That means you wish for songs, and I bring them up here for you on Wednesdays, and this is Wednesday. And we have this song from ericdoa, beautiful song called Point Blank. And it's at least two wishers here this Wednesday, Joe and the Kidman. Perhaps somebody else wished for this specific song. So yeah, it's about time to learn to play Point Blank. All right, so a beautiful song. Thank you for highlighting this one. Never heard it before. So yeah, pleasure to bring this up for you guys. Now, this is a special setting here. We have the setup with drop D tuning and a capo added on the second fret. That is the absolute best scenario for you guys to handle this song. It's very difficult just with the standard tuning, and we cannot match the sound with that tuning as well. So because it's very dark strings notes in this song, so we have to drop down and use a capo to play it a little easier than it would be if not using any capo, because then we will jump all over the fretboard. So this is the best scenario for us. So I don't have any tutorial on how to drop the D tuning, but I can just show you quickly what it means. Okay, so the setup is to drop this E string, normally E, down to the D, and it has to match with the fourth string, the D string. This one now match with this E string. All right, so you have to basically turn the knob normally towards you, kind of 180, half turn, and it will land somewhere around that area to drop D tuning. You can watch a tutorial anywhere else how to do that exactly. And once you did that, you have to put this capo on here and put it on the second fret, and there you have the setup for the song. All right, so that is how we're gonna start. Now let's learn the 4 chords, and I will give the names as if they would be if it was a standard tuning now. So this grip I will now call the A. It's technically not the A because this is not the A string anymore. It would be, but now it's not. So anyway, let's just go through the grips. You don't have to care about the names too much. So the first grip, like I said here, it will be the A, and it's a bit stretchy. I use my little pinky here to grab the 5th fret if you count from the capo. So 5th fret on the E string, and then I use my index finger to hit the 2nd fret on A, and everything down there will be open. So 5th E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and yeah, open E down there. I would try to avoid the last E string if I do the strumming, which we're gonna learn later. But yeah, use all other strings there and avoid the last E string. This is the A grip. Next comes the F sharp. Again, don't think too much about the names. We're just gonna use the names to refer to the actual grips. So what you're gonna do here is to place a little bar on the 2nd fret, and I bar the 3 strings in the bass. Okay, so 2nd E, 2nd A, and 2nd D. So I just bar these 3 strings, and down there we have open strings: open G, open B, and open E. All right. If you think that is a little bit too, not accurate, then you can go with the specific fingers. Then, it will go like this. Use index, mid, and ring finger to hit these 2nd fret strings on the bass there. So that's the F sharp grip. Next is the E. I'm gonna use that sound, and we're gonna go open with all of the strings except from the D string. You hit the 4th fret on the D. Okay, all other strings are open. And then finally we have the C major, and that is actually the only chord that it is a C major 7 chord. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so this actually is called the C major 7. All right, so we have this chord progression through the entire song: the A, the F sharp, the E, and the C major 7. All right, so we're gonna go into this sweet melody and learn it chord by chord. So let's start with the A, and I suggest you go, like I said before, with the little pinky on the 5th fret E string. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 times on the 5th fret E string, then open A, and then you hit the 2nd A. I use the hammer-on technique, so I play it on the open A, and then I just hammer on to get the 2nd A. So I don't pick the 2nd A, I just hammer on with my fretboard finger, index, and get that 2nd A there. And then you're going to continue with open G, then a short pause, and then comes open G again, then 2nd A, and open E. And that's the A part, okay? So slowly like this. Okay, that's the A. Now into the F sharp part, and I place a little bar on the 2nd fret like I would do if I played a strumming, and it sounds like this. Okay, so that is to play 2nd fret E string, 2nd A, then open G, back to 2nd A, then I add on the 3rd fret B string. I use my ring finger for that. I have a little pause once I play that, and then I'm going to continue with open G and 2nd A. That is the F sharp part, so it goes like this. Slowly. Okay, now into the E area, we're gonna play like this. Okay, so that is to play open E string, then open A, then you play the 2nd D, and you hammer on to get the 4th D. Again, you don't pick that 4th D, you just hammer on it, okay? So you're gonna pick the 2nd D string, and you hammer on to get the 4th. You have a short pause after you play that 4th D, and then you're gonna continue with 3rd B, then back to 4th D, open A, and open E. That is the E part. Slowly goes like this. And then we have the final C part left. It goes like this. And that is to play 3rd fret on A, 2nd D, open D, back to 2nd D, and then we have this 3rd B, and I play the open B in the way that I'm pulling off. So instead of hammering to something, we pull off. So I pick the 3rd D, 3rd B like that, and then I pull off or snap it off to get the open B. And then I end with 2nd D. Yeah, so there you have the C part, and slowly goes like this. And you have a pause there. Either you have a pause after that final note, or you can just hit a bridge note that goes into the 2nd round of everything. And that would be to play the open G string. So, and then you continue with the new round. All right, so there you have the melody. I'm going to take you through all these chords now. I'm going to take down the tempo a little bit so you understand what's going on. So let's go. you slip here and there like I just did, then no worry. You just continue. It's a beautiful sound, and if you stay to the grips and the notes somewhere around there, it will sound great. Anyway, so that is the melody part. Now, into the strumming, we will use the fixed grips we learned in the beginning of the tutorial. So A, the F sharp, the E, and then the C major 7, all right? We're going to go very easy with that. So we're going to play 4 downs as 1 string round. So like this. That is 1 string round. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to emphasize the 3rd down in the way that I'm playing on the bass strings for all the other downs, the 1, the 2nd, and the 4th. But the 3rd down, I go down a little bit on the higher strings down there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just what I like to do. That's my preferences. So okay, that is how it's gonna sound with a couple of string rounds. So you're gonna play 2 of these per chord. So A2, F sharp 2, E2, and the C major 2, like this. Again. And then you can go back to the melody somewhere like this. Alright guys, so that is pretty much how you handle ericdoa's Point Blank. So a great song there coming up. So thank you so much, all you people who wish for this song, and finally it's out there on Growing Guitar. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, wish for future songs, and keep you updated here on this channel. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Until next time, play tuned.